So, yun lang po. Ay, baka ako'y maiyak pa. Thank you po sa inyo lahat talaga. Thank you very much. O, Ishi, ano masasabi mo sa akin?
Thank you! Say thank you!
Oh, naiyak.
Naiyak!
Kaya mo siya ata naiyak.
Right, so everybody, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Ryan. Thank you so much. And of course, to all the people on the behalf of the management and the Smart team, of course, we would like to thank all of you guys for choosing us, Jollibee, Shangri-La, for being part of Ishi's birthday party. And if you want a party like this, you're free to go at 633-1573 up to 74 and look for any Smart on duty once again. And we're free to have us a part of Ate Leslie together with Jollibee, saying the party's over. Thank you for coming. Hope you enjoy this party and see you by next year. Hanggang sa muli, everyone, and God bless us all. Happy birthday, Ishi. Thank you so much. So Jollibee, send us a goodbye. Bye-bye na Jollibee. Thank you for coming. Alright, happy birthday, Ishi. And once again, Jollibee people, let us all shout first, happy birthday, Ishi. 1,